And when I say remain grateful, you remain grateful because you remember where you come from. You remember that God has saved you so many times over and over again. You remember all the miracles and all the blessings that you have received up to this point. Physically, I actually keep a journal where I say things to remember, and I write down the ways that I have received different blessings and different miracles throughout my life that I can always remember. Just like Michael Jackson says, remember the time. I hope you guys know that song. So you remain grateful for that, and you just don't remain grateful for the things that has happened in the past. You don't just remain grateful for where you come from. You remain grateful because you know that your journey isn't over yet. You remain grateful because you know that because you have overcome things in the past, because you have come through confusion, you have come through setbacks, you have come through disappointments, and you have come through so many things that was meant to take you down, you know that you can handle anything that's coming your way in the future. So you have the power, you have the certainty, and you have the confidence that you need to keep pushing forward. And then you remain graceful. To be graceful means to show up and to move from a place of elegance, of beauty, and confidence. So when you are in a graceful place, you remain calm. You move through life with a sense of ease. You move through life with a sense of being non-resistant to whatever process you're going through. Because oftentimes when you are going and you're traveling, you're raising kids, you're starting a business, you are working for someone, you're going to have processes that happen in your life that's meant to grow you, that's meant to mature you, that's meant to take you to the next level. And sometimes those processes are not very comfortable. Sometimes it makes you want to cry, it makes you want to throw things, it makes you want to say things that's not really characteristic of a queen, but you remain graceful instead of coming out of your queendom. So you keep your confidence because you know that you are enough. You know that you are smart enough. You know that you are beautiful enough. You know that you are creative enough. You know that no matter what happens, you are simply enough. And that is how you remain graceful throughout the entire process. So remain grounded, graceful, and graceful.